As a result of the pandemic, tech companies have shifted from in person to hybrid and remote work environments. Due to this, tech employees have to communicate and collaborate virtually, diminishing the humanizing aspect of being in the workplace. In an effort to bring that humanizing and empathetic workplace environment back to remote and hybrid environments, TechSmith created Snagit. Snagit is an innovative tool for screenshotting, screencasting, and has video capabilities. TechSmith approached the UMSI team with the question, how might we encourage authenticity and expressiveness for Snagit video creators?
So to answer this question, what we first want to figure out is where might expressiveness be in the entire world? Because we know it's already here and we want to make it in sort of the workplace, but what platforms out there really help expressiveness in people? And so we thought about TikTok, and after talking to Snagit users at first and conducting interviews with them, we actually had conversations with TikTok influencers on campus with more than millions of views. And it was really cool because we got to learn from them what kinds of features and trends are on TikTok that we might be able to find inspiration from on the Snagit platform. And so what we found was a few things. First, we found out what does expressiveness mean in the first place? And from that, we learned a lot about expressiveness essentially means that it helps you share your own identity or show your identity in the work you're doing. And so in these Snagit tutorials and videos that people are creating, we realized that one way that creators could become more expressive is by essentially having some different branding elements that help them show what styles or what style features could be useful for their own identities. Second, another thing we figured out was Snagit's already a platform for these quick and easy tutorials. So how might we be able to essentially implement these different templates and presets could be really useful for Snagit as a platform and for these creators to find new ways to film videos.
From our findings, we came up with 3 design solutions, which you can see at the right of our poster. For one, we came up with captioning. Here, users will have the opportunity to either click auto captioning or be able to create captions themselves and edit them however they like. This was another way that we wanted to incorporate expressiveness into video creation without having the users have to show their face on camera. Our second solution is a branding suite. So from our research, we found that a lot of video creators like to incorporate their own intro and outro videos along with logos that they want to keep consistent throughout the video. So in our branding suite, users will be able to upload logos and videos, whatever they choose from their local library, and it will live in the branding suite for them to use for all of their video capabilities and editing functions.
And as Maida mentioned with those intros and outros, one final way to help the video creator in their process is by offering templates. And so with these templates, they can essentially upload their own pictures inside of those templates, and that'll help them, one, create videos faster, but two, find new ways to stylize their videos and sort of have their own brand. And so with all of that said, those were our solutions for this platform. And the reason we think this is really impactful is because Snagit could really become a must-have platform for these different companies, similar to Slack or Microsoft Teams. And in doing so, that could really help the company kind of rebrand themselves as an expressive tool. And then also with this expressive tool, we could sort of start a community of creators within it, similar to TikTok, where people can really have their own brands and identities. And it could really change how the remote workplace is today. So thank you so much.